Welcome to maths class, and this is chemistry. So we have calcium hydroxide and then 25 ml of 0.1 molarity of nitric acid. Molarity is number of moles over volume. It's number of moles over volume. Let's get into periodic table. You find that we cross multiply that, so we have number of moles is equals to molarity times volume. The other thing that we have is volume is equals to 25.0 milliliter multiplied by 1 liter over 1000 ml. So the mils cancel, so we have we're just converting milliliter to liter, so that's 25.0 liter divided by 1000. So we are converting 25 ml to liter. So 25 divided by 1000 gives us 0.025 liter. Okay, so we have number of moles is molarity times volume. So molarity there is 0.1. So 0.100 multiplied by the volume there, which is 0.025 liter. So the volume has to be in liter or decimeter cubed, but decimeter cubed is equivalent to liter. So 0.100 multiplied by 2.025 gives us 0.0025 mole. So that's the mole of nitric acid. And then we're going to have the chemical reaction. So nitric acid plus calcium hydroxide, so that's then acid there, and this part that's a base. So the reaction of acid and base gives us a neutralization. So calcium hydroxide, which is a base, and then nitric acid. Let's look at hydrogen is 1 plus, and then that one there is -1. So that one is 2 plus, and that is -1. Then multiply that by 2 because it has to be neutral. So hydrogen plus hydroxide, we have 1 hydrogen plus OH, so that gives us H2. Okay, so H2O, so it becomes water. So the hydrogen and the hydroxide becomes water, H2O. And then the nitrate reacts with the calcium, so it becomes calcium nitrate. So calcium is 2 plus, and then that one is -1, and then multiply by 2. So that means this nitrate cancels, so we have calcium nitrate. Okay, so that's going to be calcium nitrate. Okay. And then from there, that's phase, that's aqueous, that's solid, that one there is liquid, and then that one there is aqueous. Okay, so now hydrogen, we need put 2 there, 2. So hydrogen is balanced, nitrogen 2 is balanced, oxygen is 8, and then it's 2 plus 6 there is 8. So oxygen is balanced. So we have the ratio between the acid and the base. So acid is nitric acid, and then the base is calcium hydroxide. So coming to the ratio there, so we work on the ratio. That's 2 there, and then that one there is 1, so it's 2 to 1. And then we have that one there is 0.0025 mole of nitric acid, and then we have 0.0025 is equals to x. So it's 2 to 1, and when it's 0.05 we cross multiply, so that's going to be 2 times x is going to be 2x is equals to 1 times that, so it's going to be 1 times 0.025. Then from there we have x is equals to 0, 1 times 0, 0 0.025 divide by 2, 0.025 I'll divide by 2, that's 0.00125, 0.00125 mole. And then there we have calcium hydroxide. Okay, and then we have molarity, so we need to find the molarity of calcium hydroxide. So the molarity there is going to be the calcium there, that's gonna be 4.08 plus we have 2 there. My oxygen is 16 and hydrogen there, hydrogen is 1, so that will give us okay, so we have 2 multiplied by 17, that's 34, plus 40.08, 74.08, so that gives us 74.08 gram per mole of what? Of calcium hydroxide, the base. So we know that 1 gram no, actually it's 1 mole, not 1 gram. So we know that 1 mole is equals to 74.08 gram, and then when we have 0.001 plus 125, that will give us mole, will give us the mole cancels, that will give us x. So we cross multiply, so it's gonna be x multiplied by 1 is equals to 74.08 gram multiplied by 0.00125, and then that's x times 1 is x, and 74.08 multiplied by 0.00125 gives us 0926. That would be gram of calcium hydroxide. So that's our final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe to Tutor Black Adam.